So there's nothing special about me having wings opening on a video, but here's the weird wing. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's the weird part. Here's what we're gonna do that I normally don't do because of time. So normally what I do with my chicken wings is I process them. I take off the bits. I will clear off the dry rub. I'll give some of these as treats to my dog. None of this should be new. None of this is unique to the channel. If anything, that's boring and lazy. In this case, I'm not processing nothing. I'm making a mess. I am dumping the whole thing inside. I'm not cutting. I'm not processing. I'm throwing in unprocessed chicken wings to the air fryer, and we're gonna see what happens. Let's go. Yep, wings are ready. All right, let's make them a little bit darker and then we'll eat. Spicy barbecue glazed whole wings in the air fryer. Yum, yum. See you guys later.
I got a broken fit. I got a